Miss Heard's GCSE Geography revision, Super Typhoon Haiyan, a tropical storm. In November 2013, Super Typhoon Haiyan, a Category 5 storm on the Saffir-Simpson scale, hit the Philippines. Huge areas of coastline and several towns were devastated by winds of up to 170 miles per hour and waves as high as 15 metres. It was one of the strongest storms ever recorded. What were the primary effects? About 6,300 people were killed, most drowned by the storm surge. Over 600,000 people were displaced and 40,000 homes damaged or flattened. 90% of Tacloban city was destroyed. Tacloban airport terminal was also badly damaged. Over 400 millimetres of rain caused widespread flooding. What were the secondary effects? 14 million people were affected, many left homeless, and 6 million people lost their source of income. Flooding caused landslides and blocked roads, cutting off aid to remote communities. Power supplies in some areas were cut off for a month. There were shortages of food, water and shelter. What were the immediate responses? International government and aid agencies responded quickly with food, water and temporary shelters. US aircraft carrier George Washington and helicopters assisted with search and rescue and the delivery of aid. Over 1,200 evacuation centres were set up to help the homeless. The UK government sent shelter kits, each one able to provide emergency shelter for a family, from Shelterbox. What were the long-term responses? The UN and countries including the UK, Australia, Japan and the US donated financial aid, supplies and medical support. Rebuilding of roads, bridges and airport facilities. Cash for work programmes where people were paid to help clear the debris and rebuild the city. Rice farming and fishing quickly were re-established. Coconut production, where trees may take 5 years to bear fruit, will take longer. Aid agencies such as Oxfam supported the replacement of fishing boats, which is a vital source of income for many people in the Philippines. Thousands of homes have been rebuilt away from areas at risk of flooding, and more cyclone shelters have been built to accommodate people who are evacuated from coastal areas during storms. This concludes Miss Heard's revision on Super Typhoon Haiyan.